To look up a transaction, select Activity from the main menu. From the Transaction Lookup tab, over on the right, select the type of transaction you wish to look up. From the drop-down menus on the left side of the screen, select the type of filter you would like to search the transaction using. I'm going to select a dollar amount of $400. Enter the information necessary for your search. Select Add, which will add it to the filter criteria box. Select the date range you are searching for this item. It could be a specific day or a date range. Apply filter, and the items listed below are all items that fit the criteria above, the date range as well as the filter within the box. Select View to view the item. The tabs across the top will show the life cycle of the specific transaction, beginning with the authorization. The authorization detail includes the last four digits of the card number, the expiration date, the card type, as well as the authorization date and time. The time is always based on GMT time, as well as the authorization code and the transaction type. We also do have AVS as well as CVV, as well as the cardholder first and last name and mailing address. Up at the top is the dollar amount as well as the brick. Over on the detail screen, the detail screen shows the settled transaction detail, again providing the last four digits of the card number, the acquirer reference number, as well as the brick. The brick is a firewall recognized identification code, which is a unique 19-digit alphanumeric code given to each transaction processed through EPX. Instead of utilizing the cardholder sensitive data, we utilize the brick and store that within our system. The detail record will also include the card type as well as the transaction type, the purchase date, the merchant settle amount, as well as the central processing date. The central processing date is the date this item will appear on the merchant statement. If you scroll down, you also will see the estimated interchange amount for this particular transaction. And over on the right, under Merchant Paid, this will identify if indeed this item has indeed gone to settlement and the merchant was paid. If you don't have specific filters you would like to look up a transaction using, you have the ability to also search using a date range. You can clear out the filter criteria box and select a specific date range and select Apply Filter. The first 25 items or so that fall within this date range will appear below. You have the ability to scroll through using the Next button. You also have the ability to export the data into one of the formats listed. You select OK, and the information, including the headers, are included on your export. If you choose, you do have the ability to choose more than one filter to isolate your search.